Hello everyone and welcome. In this YouTube we have a full moon and I'm out researching in the southern end of Puget Sound, and lo and behold, look who comes up to us. A pod of orca whales. Unbelievable. We're filming the seafloor in a depth over 400 foot. They're coming at me from the south, moving north. And I estimate there's 10 to 12 or maybe even more than that. But there is a couple of real large fins, 4 to 5 feet in the air maybe. And I try moving out of their way, and they seem like they enjoy coming around my boat. And I keep moving away, and they keep coming after me. I cannot outrun them, but it is amazing to see, and they are looking like they're in real good health. Lots of spray, and what a sight it is for me to be out here researching the seafloor, looking at the marine snow, the different marine life on the floor, and this pod of orcas starts swimming by. I'm using a high-level zoom camera, so it's kind of on the shaky side, because you really want to stay away from them. You don't want to get involved with these guys at all, just to get a couple of shots. So I'm well away, safety zone as they say, from these orcas. But with my camera equipment and high lens, I can get the shot. But look at that fin! Wow! I can get the shot in a safe distance. And now they're moving away from me, finally, thank goodness. Look at that. Isn't that amazing what we have in Puget Sound? Orcas out in Puget Sound swimming around, no big deal. It's like an everyday occurrence. There's people that pay hundreds of dollars to go out on a boat and see these guys when I'm out here off of Olalla, Gig Harbor, Point Defiance, the Narrows Bridge in that area, and they come swimming by freely. Yeah, you just have to make sure, though, that you keep a safe distance, because we really want to help improve the quality of life for these orcas. And as I understand it, they're disappearing slowly. So we have a lot of work to do as a community of public to help those guys survive, and from what I'm seeing here, they look pretty good shape. It's amazing the size of their fins on those big guys. It's amazing. And they stay down for a little while, and then they'll come back up here. There they are. All right. Until next time, everyone, stay away from these whales. Give them plenty of room. And we'll see what we can come up for you guys next time on the YouTube. Bye-bye, everyone.